Hello guys, what's up? My name is Prasanjit Kapse and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So our today's topic is consistency. So what is consistency? Consistency means to be passionate to our work, to be daily doing what our timetable is. So we should be bound to our timetable. Okay. Um, Consistency means to do the work at your time in spite of having very much difficulties, or you have another works come at that time, so you should be consistent in your work. That's only the key of the success. What happened to everyone that everyone make the timetable they want to follow, or but they can't follow. They follow it for 2 3 days and they skip it because it's very much hard work is required for to follow anything. Okay, so to be consistent is very much difficult, but those who follow this rule to be consistent in any work, whatever it may be, you play sports, or you are consistent to your work or studies. It matters very much for anybody. Okay, so even it happens to me also many times. I used to follow some kind of timetable, but after 2 3 days it become difficult. Or what happened to our mind is that basically after 2 3 days we think means I used to think that what will happen to it, but it's not the cause. Okay, sorry. So to be consistent is very much necessary to be successful in any field. Okay, so whatever you may face difficulty, you should follow your timetable. Okay, rules. So what happened, I used to make timetable. Okay, so daily I was thinking I will be waking up at 5 o'clock. I used to um, keep alarm also of 5 o'clock. Then I used to wake up at 5 o'clock. It happens for 2 3 day. I wake up and study for okay. So then after 2 3 days it happens. So I used to wake up and then again sleep. So okay. So it should not happen with everybody. Okay, it should not happen because it is only the your our age to be consistent and to grow our values or gain knowledge, a lot of knowledge. Okay, so as to improve my English, so before some day 15 days I applied for a course on Coursera. So um, I think I will be following now for improving my communication skills. So it's a very good course. I will be telling you about that course in the next video. Okay, so I haven't started it, but I'll be starting soon. I have to complete one course on the Excel sheet, which I'm following from 15 to 16 15 20 days. Okay, so after completing that, I will be following the course on English communication skill. Okay, that is on Coursera and it's very awesome course. It has many parts like writing emails and improving our vocabulary skills, and how we can communicate in effective way in our formal manner. Okay, so lot of things are there, but I applied for one of the course between them. Okay, so that is for improving communication skill in the formal manner in interview, how to face interview. Okay, so it's I'm awesome course and I'm waiting for it to start. Okay, so and again, one thing I want to tell that in this age you should do lot of courses like of your interest. Okay, so apart from your studies, as I am studying, I'm in second year right now in the Vishweshwar National Institute of Technology. So I will be doing many course right now from but for that also you need to be consistent. Okay, so what happened before that also I applied for some of the courses like on Python building. Okay, so I followed it and completed half and leave it. Okay, so for that I was also sick for the small time. I was suffering from dengue. Okay, so after that I completed that. Okay, so before applying for any course on the any learning source like Coursera, Udemy, or LinkedIn. You should be study on that course, how the course is, and what are the values you will be gaining from that courses. Okay, so following anything, so, whatever it may be. Okay, so any course also you need to be very much consistency. Okay, so consistency, only the way to which you will be gaining the knowledge. Okay, so keep consistent, keep yourself consistent to any work. Okay, I'll be also trying hard to be consistent, because lot of many things also comes while following a timetable. Okay, so and it is very it become very hard to follow a timetable. Okay, so what should you do? Okay, I'll be telling one of the tips or tricks. Okay, to be consistent. You have a timetable, right? Okay, so to follow the timetable, you should be bound, like you should give some kind of time, or to be completed that work in a specific period of time. Like every entrepreneur, like I will be giving example of Elon Musk. He used to give the 15 minutes for every meet, or he divided the whole day in the 15 minutes time. Okay, so he used to do his every meeting in the 50 minutes. If the client or the person is extending 50 minutes, he will be so much angry, and he will be okay. So you should be consistent to your time and follow that. That's only the key to success, as every entrepreneur has the time bounding rule. And okay, so try to make your every try to do your everything in your time as possible. Okay, it will be extend some minutes, or some 15-20 minutes. Okay, so it will be fine, but try to make um your everything or every work at your time. Okay, so time matters a lot. Okay, so if you don't do your work, or the you gain knowledge at your right age, then it will be some kind of effect in your future also. Okay, so it will take time. What happen in engineering, as such, many students do engineering in different branches, and then after doing engineering also they don't get job. Okay, so they try to do some kind of course after doing engineer, so it's affect very much. Okay, so like coding courses during the engineer journey, lot of time is there for learning many things. Okay, so try to learn new things, or like coding during the journey of your engineering, so it matters a lot. Okay, so be consistent, keep a faith in yourself. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching this video.